Unraveling the mystery of interrogative adjectives. Hello, fellow language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of interrogative adjectives. These are a crucial part of English collocations, specifically, the adjective plus noun collocations, and knowing how to use them will significantly improve your fluency and language understanding. Interrogative adjectives, as the name suggests, are adjectives used in questions. They are used to modify or describe a noun in a question. The most common interrogative adjectives in English are which, what, and whose. These adjectives always come before a noun. Let's take a look at a few examples. What book are you reading? Whose coat is this? Which pen is yours? In these sentences, what, whose, and which are all interrogative adjectives because they're used to ask a question about the noun that follows them. While all these interrogative adjectives seem to function similarly, there are certain guidelines that we follow in using each one. 1. What is generally used when the options are enumerable or unknown to the speaker. 2. E.g., what color is your car? 3. Which is used when the options are limited and known to the speaker. 4. E.g., which of these two shirts do you like more? 5. Whose is used to inquire about possession or ownership. 6. E.g., whose bag is this? The best way to master interrogative adjectives is through practice. Make it a point to use them in your daily conversations. You can also make a list of your own sentences using what, which, and whose. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with these adjectives. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on interrogative adjectives. I hope this session has helped clarify their usage in English collocations. Remember, mastering these adjectives is a significant step towards becoming fluent in English. So, keep practicing and don't be afraid to ask what, which, or whose questions. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.